All right, so we left off with trying to figure out if A was linear or not. So if you look at x, you see how there's nothing there? You're thinking it should be a 1. But since the x is in the denominator, that matters a lot. X, if it's in the denominator, it does something weird. So I wanted to show you, see if this works. I wanted to show you how this would look like on the graph. So let's see if this works. Oh, I don't believe that's going to work. Oh, there it is. So I wanted to show you. So this right here is your equation. 5 divided by x plus 6y is equal to, there should be a negative there, negative 22. I'm going to zoom in a little bit or zoom out. You notice it does something weird. So a linear equation will give you a line. Let's go back here. It's going to give you a line. So this right here, as we saw, this unfortunately does not give you a line. It does something weird, right? So this is not a linear equation. Because of that x being in the denominator, it is not a line, does not form a line, so it is not linear. So the only two answers are B and D. Okay, number 6. I'm going to scooch this up just a little bit. All right, number 6 says identify if the slope for each given graph, I think that if shouldn't be there. Identify if the slope of each given graph, choose positive, negative, 0. So you have 4 options. You have either positive, either negative, 0, or undefined. Okay. So if you are going down a hill, if your line is going down a hill, you are decreasing. So we're going to say negative. If you are going up a hill, that means you are increasing, and that is positive. So I see another going up a hill, so that is positive as well. And now here, this one is a little bit tricky because it is a vertical line, vertical. So off to the side, I'm going to use a thinking bubble. So imagine you are driving a car. Here's your car. Okay. You are driving a car on a horizontal, perfectly horizontal. Now let's say you're out of gas. There's no gas in this car. And you are on a very straight horizontal line. What is your speed? Remember, there's no gas in this car, and you are on a perfectly horizontal line. What is your speed? Well, your speed is 0 because you are not moving. Your speedometer would say, hey, it's 0. So this is a 0 slope. You have a line that is horizontal. Now, what about if you had a car on a vertical road? So here's your car. Here's your car on your vertical road. What would happen? Well, this is your car saying goodbye, right? This is your car falling down a hill. And if your car is falling down a hill because it's vertical, it's just up and down, there is no road to support this, your car is falling down a hill, your slope is undefined. So see how this one is falling down a hill? So since we are falling down a hill, our slope is undefined. All right, and that's it. That is your review for quiz module 5. Make sure if you have any questions to let me know. If there are any mistakes, let me know. I am a human being. Mistakes are possible. I am Not saying I am doing everything 100% perfect. So if you notice that I did something wrong, let me know, and then we will discuss this in class. Thank you.